Really excited right now about a new kit on the block in the deliverability space, and it's called Email Console.
We use Woodpecker as this is the best sender tool we know. Also, we use Apollo for searching emails.
I would recommend GlockApp's tool for inbox placement test. You can use it when your deliverability decreases.
Zero bounce, then ensure that you have no bounces for your email campaign, so all of your emails are being delivered.
Having a good app, so if you have spammy words, stuff like that, Humility also would work for that.
I would especially recommend such tools that verify your database, whether any email is able to be reached out. Mailer Checker is one of the recommended by me.
We use zero bounce to ensure we won't bounce.
And another tool I can recommend is IP Quality Score. It's a tool for email list validation, and it helps you to keep your prospect base clean and valid.
Glock apps test all your emails and will tell you how your email will look for different providers.
Also prospect list checking. If you have a list that you contact people, make sure that you have only valid email addresses. And I think that will put you like across 80% people, so on top of 80%, because not everybody's doing that.
Third one is Mail Tester. Mail Tester will tell you how your email is being perceived by a prospect.
I would use Bouncer because it's an email verification tool that verifies all your email addresses of your recipients in real time, and it's very helpful. So I think combining those two is a great success.
To be honest, knowledge is the most important. So even if you don't have super fancy tools to analyze it, you just need to know the basics, understand how it works, and then just looking at your emails and checking your domain settings, that will be enough, because it's more about thinking than having, this one super powerful tool.